Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. Happy New Year too. I think this is my first video of 2020, if I'm not mistaken. I spent most of the holiday sick, taking care of sick children, sick husband, so good times. Today I'm coming to you with my Boxycharm. This box would not fit in my mailbox, so they had to put it on my front porch. It's like huge, so, and it's heavy. I can't wait to see what's in here. I did not peek. I have no idea, so let's get started and see what's here. Ooh. Alright, it's called Breaking the Ice, and we have a Too Faced Cosmetics Diamond Light Highlighter, $36. We have a Dr. Brandt Skincare 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream, which is $55. There's a Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage, $28. And then I have an In Beauty Project Power Up Dual Phase Setting Face Mist, and Monica Dar Beauty Lip Whip for $21. And Power Up Dual Phase Setting Face Mist is $32. So let's see these things. Oh my gosh, look at it. Too Faced, you've done it again. Like, I am a sucker for packaging. I can't help it. Diamond Light. And this is Fancy Pink Diamond. It's so pretty, I almost don't want to open it. There's like a little sticker I'm going to peel off. Stop. It's like a jewelry box. And it says, it's your time to shine. That's right. We gotta glow for the gods, so let's see. And look at it, like, it looks like a little jewelry box. How cute. Like, so, oh my goodness gracious. Look. This is like the coolest thing. Okay, I'm literally just gonna, like, brush my finger. I don't want to drop it or break it, and do a little swipe on my hand. It's hard to see. My lighting is crazy in here with my vanity, but I think, oh, you don't even have to push this in. It's magnetic. But look at how gorgeous that is. Like, if you can totally see it, it's so pretty. I am definitely going to wear this for sure. And Diamond Fire Highlighter is what it says. Well, it's called Diamond Light, but Diamond Fire Highlighter. I love it, and the packaging is just so cool. Fancy Pink Diamond. I love that. Let's see. The next one was the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream with Ruby Crystal Complex. And it says, it illuminates the eye contour, helps smooth away lines, helps reduce moisture loss. So using your ring finger on either finger, you apply to the bone area of your eye from the outside in. AM and PM it says, but it says retinol in it, and retinol tends to dry me out, so I don't know if I'll be able to use it. But I will definitely try it. Dr. Brandt, their things are really good. Everything I've ever used from them has been great. I always like to see like what color it is. It's like a, let's see, like an ivory color. Doesn't really have a smell that I can tell. But it's made in the USA, so it's always a good thing. I mean, I'll try it because as I'm getting older, like I am getting, like, look at all these fine lines and wrinkles. Yeah, it's happening, guys. Okay, my hair's a mess. Next thing on the list was the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. It's an exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. It's a lush formula combining the best of iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. It features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and the unique and exclusive Black Winter Truffle Extract. And it's supposed to gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. I just like the name of it. Face Gommage. It's made in Italy. Awesome. Open. Oh no. There's plastic on it. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it smells good. And it looks kind of like, it's like, ooh, oh, it's coming out. Darn it. I didn't realize I was squeezing it that much, but, I'll take what I have out. Oh, it smells really nice, and I'm just gonna, ooh, it's got like little scrubbies in it, like skin buffers or like a body scrub almost, and it smells pretty good. It's a polishing and micro exfoliating truffle face gommage, and it says you are to apply a liberal amount over face and neck, massage in circular movements for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove with a damp, lukewarm face towel and pat dry 2 to 3 times a week. Nice. And it looks like they have a truffle therapy toner and a truffle therapy serum if you want to do like a full treatment on your face. But I didn't realize I was going to have to wash this off. I don't know what I was thinking. So I'm going to have to go do that for a second. I'm going to get back to it. Hold on. Oh my god, my kids locked the door. Are you serious? That's nice. Oh. I just want to say that I just hit my knee. This is super soft compared to this side, just after those few minutes of rubbing it in. Okay, so next item was a dual phase setting face mist, which is this. And it helps to set makeup, energize and revive your skin, filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. You use under makeup to prep the skin, over makeup to set your look, and throughout the day to refreshen your tired skin. So, I'm going to see what this smells like. It looks like it separates. I'm not really sure what's in there that's separating, but it's free from synthetic fragrance and colorants, silicones, PEGs, sulfates, parabens, phthalates, EDTA, so like gluten, animal-derived ingredients, proudly cruelty-free, and vegan. It's made in the US. And I'm guessing, it's got aloe, which hydrates, witch hazel that clarifies, electrolytes that energize. You shake the bottle, close eyes, and spray 6 inches away from your face. It's formulated with our Even Out complex, which helps even your complexion, no matter your tone. So I will try this. I didn't use a setting spray today, but notice how I just shook it up and it kind of mixed that in. Let's see. Oh wow, it's interesting. It's very refreshing, revitalizing, I might say. So that's cool. And lastly, we have the Monica Dar Beauty Lip Whip, which I think I've tried her line of things from Boxycharm like a while ago. I don't ever remember if I really liked it or not, but you can check it out and see what this is. It's like a doe foot applicator. I don't really care for the smell. It smells very chemically, like chemicals. But it's in the shade Lip Whip Faith. And I sort of don't want to put it on my hand. But it's kind of like a rusty, kind of orangey nude. So I'll have to give that a try and see how I like it. It's, you know, nice packaging, but I don't know if it's something I'll like or not. I haven't been wearing too much lipstick because I used a MAC product that way back when I would use and I was fine with it, and then all of a sudden it like started breaking my lips out and making them really dry. It's like taken me like a month or so to get them back to like somewhat normal. So I haven't been wearing too much on my lips, which I don't like, but hey, what are you gonna do? Alright, your hand is like right in the video. I guess that's it for now. I hope everyone has a great weekend and study hard for your exams coming up for those of you that are taking them. And all you can do is do your best. That's all that we ever expect. As long as you put forth the effort, you should reap benefits from that. So I will see you all in my next video. Again, have a great weekend. We'll see you all in my next one. Bye.